गुड आफ्टरनून दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? एंड हाउ इज लाइफ गोइंग ऑन? एनीवे, टुडे आई विल share another video, and I made around 9,000 rupees profit from Nifty currency futures. So this took me 2 days. 2 days, I mean, 2 दिन. 2 days, I mean, yesterday I made around 3,300 profit, and today around 5,650 something I made. Okay, friends, and how is life going on? Hope everybody is maintaining corona restrictions and keep yourself away from crowd, keep social distancing, and better to stay at your home. Good friends. Anyway, let's proceed for my video. What is in store for you guys today? Let's start. Okay, friends, you can see this is Euro INR September future. So this is I did on 25th. This is 25th August. I did this profit as I always tell to my people, if I get more profit than 5,000, then only I post video. That's why 3,000 normally I will make video if I get some good profit, and that to be more than 5,000. So I made these two videos for you. You can see here the date 25 August, and it's a 5 minutes chart. Okay, friends, so now you see what I asked for my. See here, market open. This after market opening here, you can see this is RSI. You can see this is RSI. So this line is 40 and this line is 60. Okay, friends, I'll just write it down here so that you will understand what I'm telling to you. 60, and this is awesome oscillator. You can see, you can get this awesome oscillator RSI from here, from studies. You can get everything, and you have to do all the basic setup, nothing else you have to do. So now from here you can see this is my setup, and this is ATR line, and this is your WVAP, and this is your central pivot line. This is a new indicator I am using for you guys, so this is also a very good interesting indicator. So now let's start what I did yesterday. So what happens is this market normally in European market they open around 11 o'clock this time. I mean their data used to come that will fluctuate the market. So before the data is started going up. So now I will tell you here awesome oscillator is telling buy signal, and here RSI, once it will start going above 60, you just take an entry. Here also it's showing strong momentum. Here also once it is crossed 60, you just take an entry until it reaches this point. Okay, friends, so this is the thing, till it reaches here you just hold your point and book your profit. That's all. But normally that is the case if you are having a small lot. If you are having a very heavy lot, then you can see this movement will give you around 15,000. This will give you around 20,000, but for that you need to have that much of patience. Okay friends, I got profit here, somewhere here I got this zone, because I am having 100 lots, so I got profit in this range, just 3 paisa. So that's all. This is the basic setup you maintain. And if awesome oscillator telling buy signal, RSI crossing above 60, and these all things are showing you buy, then just go for it. Okay friends, now I'll go to the next slide. See, this is my order book. You can see this is 3,340 rupees I made. This is the profit yesterday. This is the Euro INR future, you can see. So I did the trading for this. Okay friends, now I'll go to the next slide. I'll show you what I did today. So friends, now you can see this is my next chart. This is today's 26 August. You can see the date, and this is the 10-minute chart. You can see here. So here you can see GBP INR August future. So now I'll tell you about my indicator. This is RSI. As I explained you in this previous slide, this is awesome oscillator. So as per these things, it's showing buy, and if here market starts here, so once it is crossing 60, you can initiate a buy. So this is also buy, so you can just start buying. And here this ATR line also showing buy, so just go for it. And this is our new indicator, central pivot line. This is central pivot line, you can see from here. So once the market prices are above this line, you can go for buy. So this is the criteria for this indicator. So now I will tell you what I did. Now you can see all these signals are showing very strong buy signals, so you can just go for it. Now the logic behind all this buy is, so there is a FOMC meeting coming up in Thursday. So during that day, the FOMC chairman will speak something about the economic situation of US. As per the condition what is happening all around the globe, so it is obvious that he is not going to change any interest rate, and that is for a long time now. US interest rate will be 0.25, so that is the reason dollar index will go down. So it will continue going down. So as it is going down, so this GBP, pound and euro will go up. So this is the basic trend going on. So that's why no need of worry. You just check your signals, and everything is showing buy signal, so just go for it. So this is not that difficult, but you should know what is the situation, what is the economic news, what is the data. These are all things important. Then only you will understand what is going on. If you don't know all these things, then it will be very difficult. And friends, now I'll tell you what I did from where I entered. I entered here, this particular point of my entry. Here I entry, then here I exit. See, after my exit also there is so many movements. But what is the issue with this GBP INR is it's very highly fluctuating currency. So that's why you don't know what will happen next. So better once you are getting profit, book your profit. That is the only better thing to do. Okay, friends. Now I'll show my order book. Yes, friends. Now you can see my order book. It is showing this 5,672.50. This is the profit I made. This is the contract you can see here. So this way you can make the profit. Actually, when I was booking the profit, it was around 6,800. But when I book, as the volume is very less here, that's why this price will be different. So there is some gap, means 2 paisa. Some gap will be there because volume is very less here. That is the only reason. Okay, friends. Now let's go to the second slide. Last slide. Let's go to the last slide. What are the new? What are the new upcoming news coming? Some important news are also coming. That's why I want to share those news also. Now this is investing.com economic calendar. You can see this is yesterday and this is today. Today there is nothing much news. Is this news is in the night, but main news is this will come tomorrow, and this is also very important. But most important news is this one. This is the mother of all the meetings happening around the globe for this currency or any market. This is the mother of all the markets. Now you can see this is the dollar index. So now the reason is what this this person have the most effect on this currency. So now as nothing is going to do for this currency, so that's why it will trend will be going downwards. It will go down means euro and pound will go up. So this is the information I want to share with you. Okay friends, any doubt, anything, just send me, message me, I will reply to you. And please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and keep yourself safe from corona, and keep enjoying my videos, and try to learn whatever I am giving my information, whatever I know. Maybe I am not perfect, but see, if money is coming, profit is coming, that it means that I know something, and whatever I am doing, I am just trying to pass my information to everyone so that others also can earn money. Right, friends? And one more thing, this is Friday, this meeting is there which will affect the GBP. So during these days before this meeting, normally this currency rallies very fast. So GBP INR will rally this day. So just keep an eye on this day and this currency GBP INR. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.